Hi everyone, welcome back to Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi. Today on in this video we are going to learn how you can start learning bioinformatics, a complete roadmap for beginners. Before diving into the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Vaishnavi, biotechnology graduate working as bioinformatician in India, and on this channel I simplify bioinformatics for you. One of the most common questions biotechnology or life science students ask me: how do I start learning bioinformatics? Should you start with coding? Should I take online courses? Or should you begin with biology? Right? So, in this video, I will clear a step by step roadmap to help you start learning bioinformatics from scratch, even if you are a complete beginner. Here is a complete overview of a roadmap. Let's begin. So, step 1 is before learning any tools or software, it is very important to have a strong biology fundamentals. You should be comfortable with DNA, RNA, proteins, central dogma of molecular biology, genes, mutations, and variants, basic sequencing concepts. If your biology basics are not clear, understanding bioinformatics analysis becomes very difficult later. You do not need to be a perfect, but your concept should be clear. The next and the most important step is learning Linux and basic command lines. Most bioinformatics tools run on Linux systems, terminal or command line. Many students think Linux is scary, but honestly, it is much easier than it looks. You do not need advanced coding to start bioinformatics. Learning basic Linux commands like file handling and navigation is enough in the beginning. Bioinformatics actually starts with Linux, not programming. Once you are comfortable with Linux basics, the next step is understanding next generation sequencing or NGS. You should understand what is NGS and why it is used, the types of NGS data, common file formats like FASTQ, BAM, or VCF. Before analyzing data, it is important to understand how the data is generated and what each file represents. Now, you can start with basic bioinformatics tools. Some beginner-friendly tools include FastQC for quality control, Trimometric for trimming, BWA or Bouty for alignment, SAM tools for file processing. At this stage, do not focus on memorizing commands. Focus on understanding the workflow and purpose of each step. One of the most important steps is learning bioinformatics in project-based learning. You should download real sequencing data from NCBI, perform basic analysis step by step, work on small projects like 16S analysis or variant calling. In bioinformatics, projects matter more than certificates. Even one well documented project can help you learn more than multiple courses. Bioinformatics is not something you learn overnight. Try to study 30 to 60 minutes daily. Learn one concept at a time. Accept that confusion is a part of a learning process. Every bioinformatician was once a beginner. Consistency is important than speed. So, on this channel, Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi, I will guide you step by step through Linux for bioinformatics, NGS data analysis, bioinformatics tool, project based learning, career guidance for biotech students. My goal is to make bioinformatics simple, practical, and beginner friendly. If this roadmap helped you understand how to start learning bioinformatics, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will start with Linux basics for bioinformatics beginner. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.